Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you how to convert an image stored into the local directory or into the database. I have shown earlier how to convert multiple images into a single PDF file, but today I would like to show that things how to store into the converted file into the local directory or into the database table. Here are some demo trying to save the converted image into the local directory. Yes, a file successfully saved into the local directory. Yes, this is from the local directory. Now we will try to save into a database table for a particular employee. Select multiple images. Then choose the saving option where you would like to save. File converted and successfully saved into the database table. Here file downloaded from the database. Here the file from down. Let's start perfect registration. First create the directory where your web apps exist. In my case I have running my Apex using ORDS. That's why I'm creating a directory in my ORDS folder. Then create a directory using that path and grant read write privilege on the desired schema. I have added an below type column in my table because there was no below type column. Then put the keep in mind that I have started from the last video on converting multiple images. Here some formatting purpose task and it is very basic. That's why I am not concerned about that. I think everyone is know that how to create some items and regions. Here I am creating some files, creating some regions and items for employee informations, displaying some settings of that items properties, region properties. Here some item for saving purpose where I would like to save which directory I want to use. Just formatting here you can see changes the list properties static list. Now I am going to create a dynamic action to display employees information. Here is the LSQL block. setting item, return items. The main task is on the JavaScript function declaration. Later we will see that. First, we are taking a button to save the converted image into the storage directory or database, where some constant checking. If employee ID is missing, then it restrict to save. If location is missing, then also restrict you to save data. If you want to save the data into the local storage, if you have not provided the directory, then also it restrict you to save the data into the local directory. Here is the basic, here is the main task to create Ajax callback function to store the data into the table or directory. Here you can see then go to the page label and select the function declaration. But here declare two new functions, one for read the below file, and then another is for converting the below into the CLOP. I have added this two function and some part of that previous function. You must keep in mind that to work on the previous video, and here is the report to display the uploaded file. Add another new column for storage type. This field indicate where the documents is stored. Is it local directory or is it stored into the database? Here I need to modify, update that column. Storage type S2T means stored to database stable, and S2D means storage to directory. Both case we need to update that table, that column, that it is stored into the table or it is stored into the local directory. This is the decoded function to identify the storage where the data is stored. That's it. Yes, it is validate when you try to save. It's also restricted to that directory missing. Now try to convert. Here is the converted PDF. Try to save, and file successfully saved into the local directory. Here is now try to save the converted image into the database. Select the saving option, or to save converted PDF and try to save. Here is the database table. That's it. If found helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.